We don't have to scoot them across the floor. Just find one square and deposit your Monday, shake off Tuesday. Wednesday was hard, you guys. Thursday, Friday, let it go. All right, deep breath in. Because it's time to begin. 3, 2, 1. Well, good evening. I am Rocket Reba, and many of you have seen me being squishy. We're going to put our hands in a few squishy things. Parents, I have big ones. We're going to put our hands in a few squishy things, and then we're going to make a squishable to take them. Okay? Now,
is it you?
Yeah. Okay, so today we're nice little ball, and then I'm going to hold it. In this egg, he had something called putty, silly putty, right? So, silly putty is a long chain molecule. You see, I'm pulling it. Is it breaking? No. Because the chain is long, and that gives it the ability to stretch out, right? It's squishy. It's pliable. You already know what to do. I want those hands in the air. I want your wild faces. I want foolishness. Okay. I'm going to line you up. Now, I'm going to call on you, but you have to be willing to hold hands with someone. All right? I'm telling you that ahead of time. Okay, if you still want to volunteer, I want you to stand up. I want you to start right here. You want to volunteer? I want you right here. You want to volunteer? I want you right here. You want to volunteer? Right here. You want to volunteer? You want to volunteer?
Hi, I think she wants you in the front.
Now, we have these volunteers. Now, each volunteer is a monomer. One, mono, meaning one, right? We want to make a polymer. So volunteers, hold hands with the person next to you. Hold hands, form a long chain. All the hands. So now we're starting to be a long chain. Now we're going to pull our long chain. I'm going to pull you this way. Stay right there. And I'm going to come this way and grab your hand. I'm going to pull you this way. You see, we have a long chain molecule. Now, every place that our molecules are holding hands, lift your hands up in the air, lift those hands up, is a bond, right? That's holding our molecules together. That's holding our scoot in, volunteer, scoot in, scoot in, scoot in, scoot in. See, our long chain is very pliable. We've taken our long chain and we've squished it.
Didn't I have the last time?
There's always a couple monomers. All right, polymers in this pop. To get these in the city. Now, styrofoam is a polymer. This cup is just like this. Does it look like this?
No.
If I pull this cup, if I see the long chain, if I squish the cup, it would just break, right? But inside of this is polymers all bonded together into this shape, a cup. Let's see what our volunteering song should be now. Come here, and because you're an excellent listener, I need one hand on your head. Show me you're a good listener. I want you to stand.
You didn't do it right.
This side of the mat, and then one more volunteer. Hand up so high, hand up so high, hand up so high. You're doing a good job. Come here. I want you to stand on this side of the mat, okay? All right, then. So we don't get any on the actual floor. I'm going to pour this on, and I want you to very. All right, stop right there. So, you can actually let go for a second. If you want white, they're back there. If you want help with the white, you see them right there. You're welcome to help yourself to a white. If you can't get it open, let me know. I think that's a fresh pack. It's still gonna break. So you can see all of the long chains that are in there. Pull it a little bit more off. Let's see. So inside of this cup, just a lot of chains of molecules held together into this cup shape. And when we break the bonds, we can start to see them a little bit better. We're not going to touch this right now, but it will be at the table, so later you can touch it. Okay? So we're just going to see how well those bonds. Not right now.
Nope.
It'll be here. It will smell. That is true. Oh, it will melt. It will. So I'm going to need one volunteer. I'm going to need one volunteer to destroy the styrofoam foam. I want a volunteer who's sitting down. You just sit down. I want a volunteer who has two hands up in the air, straight up, reaching, stretching, reaching, stretching, stretching, reaching,
Not you.
Come on up. everyone can see. Hold it up like this. Perfect. All right, and now I'm gonna pour this into the beef. Watching?
Oh, wow.
Okay, hold it up like this.
Oh.
What?
Okay, you go sit down. Thank you. Let's give her a round of applause. So it went from brittle packing peanuts, and now, see, it's hard to get a hold of here. This is what our packing peanuts look like now, right? So now they have revealed their long chains. Yucky goo that used to pour into this cup. You also have to put water in the cup, right? We have 3 cups in a row. What we're gonna do is I'm going to mix these cups up very quickly. Get things out of my way.
Let's go. Let's go.
If you think the water is in the middle cup, I want you to put 2 hands on your head. Okay? If you think the water is in this cup, I want you to put 2 hands in the air. And then I want you to wave them in triumph because you are correct. Excellent. Paying attention. Let's try it.
Yes!
The water in this cup. Are we all watching this cup?
Uh-huh.
In very close attention? All right, here we go. Okay. If you think the water is in the middle cup, I want you to put 1 finger to your nose. Okay? If you think the water is in this cup, I want you to put 1 hand in the air. And if you think the water is in this cup, I want you to put 2 hands in the air. Wave them in triumph. You are correct.
Yes!
All right. This is our last chance.
Yes,
Okay. If you think the water is in this cup, I want you to put 2 hands in the air. If you think the water is in the middle cup, I want you to put 1 hand on your head. If you think the water is in the 3rd cup, I want you to put your hands on your hips. Here's what I think we should do. Here's what I think we should do. I need volunteers who are sitting flat on their bottoms. Volunteers who come. Are we ready?
Uh-huh.
3, 2, no. The middle cup. Step forward. Step forward. There you go. It's fine, right? If I pour this on your head. Yeah. You want me to pour it on my head too? Apparently, I'm going to pour a 2nd cup of water on my own head. Are we ready? 3, 2.
No water in
No,
there.
there's no water in there. Oh, there's water. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to give you the science tray. Can you hold this tray? Hold it straight out. Yes. Excellent. Okay. Water.
There's water in that one.
Okay.
There's water in that one.
Water in the cup. Gotta be water in this cup, right?
No.
You ready?
No.
3.
Why did I get no water in there? Huh?
I told you.
All right. I'm gonna tell you what happened. Give our volunteers a round of applause. Volunteers, take a bow. What does it look like to you?
So.
Like salt, right? Like sugar, like powder, right? Very
Sugar.
dry.
Sugar.
I'm not going to invite you next time.
Looks like
So this cup was still full of water, but our polyacrylate actually absorbed the water, right? It soaked it up super fast. As soon as I poured it in the cup, you saw me swirl it around a little bit. It turned solid like this.
No, sit here.
Ice, but it is squishy. Yes, you'll get to touch it in a little while. It is squishy, right? It's kind of
Well,
sticky.
wait till you leave.
Now, this is something you all are probably very familiar with. You may not recall.
I remember.
This is, remember on a really bad day.
Yes.
dry ice.
This
No.
is diapers.
Diapers.
This is the stuff in diapers. Parents, if you saw it, it's not a good day. It's disgusting. We have plenty of paper towels and baby wipes. And you'll be able to squish it. So I'll make a little column. They look alike, right? This one I would say is a little sparkly. It's a little pinker. It's a little Well, that's so that I don't get them mixed up, because look at them. Very easy to get mixed up. So I had to put stars on top. So you get powdery. Now it's going to react a little bit. I'm going to start here. I'll walk down. I'm just going to put a little splash of water in.
Like, I'm too old to be getting amazed. It's getting bigger.
We'll touch it once we're going to all come up here and touch a bunch of things all at once. See how it's growing? That sounds growing. Fluffing up.
What is water down? What's the science name for it? Polymer?
Polyacrylate is this. I'll have to look and tell you what the scientific name is. Because it's long and I can remember.
Okay.
Can you mix them together?
So, this is our movie snow, right?
Oh.
If we put cold water in, it would feel more like snow. This is room temperature water. But it's soft. And
Casey, stop. I know.
I said read.
okay, hang on.
I can match.
It's okay, Casey.
Okay.
It's okay.
Settle down. If you all sit quietly, you might get some Orbeez before we're done. No one told you that, but you might. Hold them up. Start,
Sit.
right?
Yeah, this is little.
They're teeny tiny, but they're hydrophilic, so we know what to do. We soak them in water, right? Now these Orbeez are. Now this is also an Orbeez. It starts off a little bit bigger, but this is an Orbeez. Orbeez, well, let's be honest. A polymer sphere, a polymer ball, an Orbeez. And it is a polymer. It's squishy, right? It's very bouncy. It's a little bit room in this poor guy. And it's hydrophilic. So this guy had to soak for about 4 days.
4 days.
4 days.
When we break him up, right? It breaks up. You can't put them back together. That's why we wait to break till we've seen it. You can see all the sort of slime of his inside, right? Oh, there's more Orbeez behind you.
Kason.
Our rainbow color. These are really pretty Orbeez, aren't they? What are they made mostly out of at this point?
Water.
Water, right? They've soaked up so much water that this Orbeez is primarily made of water. And then this particular small one, you can see the paint sort of swirled around in there. They're colorful, but they're not colored all the way through, like some of the larger ones. So, now, as I said, you don't have to get floor Orbeez. Rodrigo would never do that.
Pay attention.
To show you.
Okay, sit on your butt.
Let's get
Sit on your butt.
All right, so.
Okay. Whatever.
Right, we used our acetone to break the bonds in this styrofoam cup to reveal those long chains to us. Now, we've broken bonds, we've talked about bonds, we've used our hydrophilic polymer. Now we're going to make bonds, right? Now we're going to make bonds. Is we're going to add a liquid plastic, right? This is long chains, but it's not particularly squishy. It looks a lot like water at this point, right? But it's liquid plastic. So when it's your turn to do this, we're not going to drink it, right? Because it's liquid, but it's liquid plastic. I want you to think about what would happen if your throat was coated. Right? That would not be good. So we're not going to drink it. We're not going to put it near our mouth. It's liquid plastic. Now I know it doesn't look like it, but trust me, you don't want that in your mouth. Now the next thing we would do is we would
Kason, be quiet.
Now we would need something to help us hold it together. So I want you to remember every place that we were holding hands earlier, every bond. And for that we're going to use sodium borate. which is like borax, but it's like a 1 to 20 solution, so it's very dilute. We'll pour a little bit of bond maker into our liquid plastic, and something's already starting to happen.
Sit down, Casey.
Really well. When it's your turn, you want to stir it up really, really well. Now, it's done. Now we have it. Looks more like the polymers that we are used to. Now we have made slime.
Can I touch it?
And
No,
it's
not yet.
squishy, right?
Can I touch
So
it?
liquid
Not yet.
plastic
Can I touch it?
and
Not
sodium
yet.
borate. Now, it's slime. Now when you get to make slime, we're here because that's easier. I want you to come. Come on. Right there at that, around that way. Okay? Come on. Right there. Come on. Right here. Are you gonna make slime? Okay, come on. It'll be right here, right here, right here. Come this way, come this way, come this way. Right here. I want you right there. Okay. Okay? You wanna make slime? I want you to come. It'll be right here. Very slowly. There's nothing happening in the cup right now, so you might not even want to stir. Do you want to make slime?
She right next to Casey.
Now remember, if you spill the liquid plastic,
No.
you end up with less slime.
He wasted.
Okay. Does everyone have liquid plastic? If you want orange, if you would like more slime to be orange, I want you to raise one hand. If you want your slime to be orange, you're only going to pick one color. We're not mixing colors because these colors do not mix well. They mix to dirt brown, which is not as pleasing.
Weird.
Okay? Down here, everyone want orange.
In the air. Does anybody at this table want purple? It won't be once they put this
You're only getting one color. One color. This one? Okay. You want
Hey, can I have red? Can I have red?
So we're red and orange.
You ain't about to give me a heart attack with this cup. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna move on bless
to
you.
sparkles now. Right?
Very nice.
Look, I got a kind of like a dark.
You gonna put another color with
Can
He want red with his.
Red and orange, that's fine.
Stern like she told you. Good job, everybody.
We on.
That is so
Carry on.
Pay attention to what you're doing.
Wait.
Pay attention to what you're doing.
Girl, you great. Hi, this is Angie and Carson. Because I think it was cooking.
Carry on. She's asking what color sparkles you want.
Oh, like that. Good job.
You can stir slowly. Good job.
Cinda, you gotta get us grown parents over here going crazy.
Oh, hold up.
We like going crazy over here.
Oh,
What kind of sparkles do you like?
sorry, baby. You got Carson. As soon as you said that,
Oh, you like not right now.
you okay?
Okay, perfect.
Okay, don't make me. It's okay.
Man, you want sparkles in yours? Oh, excuse me.
Can you help me, Tally?
We got a wait list coming around.
Everyone's helping everyone.
Tell them. Everybody else is getting help. She want help too.
Oh, your brother got that stuff in your towel.
All right, here I come.
I can't even see my sparkles.
You may need more.
Be careful.
You may need more. I'll come back. But we got to give everybody a little bit to start so they can see the slime part.
Oh, Mom, friction.
Okay, it's okay. We'll wash it off.
Mix. Try mix.
Alright,
Look, mix.
Gotta stir it, keep stirring
Mix.
it. You gotta mix it.
Mix. We can touch it. Oh, it's dripping.
moving over here. Let's keep on stirring it up, y'all.
Alright.
Don't touch it yet.
Excited shit on back.
Let it get thick. Let it get thick, everybody.
Miss Angie. You better go over the edge.
All right, now.
Just do this.
We're gonna have to raise her.
Oh, it came off.
If he need more, she'll come give him more.
Yeah, I think they need some more.
She's coming around there.
We're gonna stay here and wait.
You dropping it, Casey?
Let's make sure it stays inside.
Oh, mine is getting ready. My money don't.
A little bit. Okay, I'm gonna come in here.
Spinning
Does
it.
anybody? Oh, you're good.
Oh look,
You might need like 3 more drops in the liquidy part.
yours good,
Want some more? Yeah,
Casey.
you need a little bit more.
Is yours good, Miss
I'm gonna
Angie?
come down that way so I don't squirt anybody.
Mine's ready.
Keep stirring it.
And don't put it out like that. It's going to fall.
Don't do it like that. Just keep stirring.
It's trying. I can't stir it no more. Look at mine.
You need more.
I'm just
Alright, so you want more?
sticky enough.
Please.
We're gonna give you a lid.
Please come on.
Oh shit! Can you see, please?
Yeah, I knew you were good. Get a paper towel. Okay. Snow. Right. All right. Okay. Good. You touch his diaper.
Is he?
All right. All right.
I think somebody's excited.
I know. Which one do you like better?
All right. Get a paper towel. Get a paper towel. All of you.
That smells like snow.
It does feel like snow.
Hold up, Casey. You got one more to touch.
Get a paper towel.
This one's good.
That is the diapers.
I thought that one was the diaper.
That's the diapers. Squishy.
Okay.
There is just something about just getting your hands
Okay. Sorry. All right.
And that is the end of our show, parents. They're not too messy. Parents, you didn't get slung.